Underground.
TikTok. Pag-live. Mines.
Walang S. Mine lang.
Mine lang, mine.
Ito, ikaw. Hanto. Determination of alignment, grades, earthwork, quantities, location of natural and artificial objects in connection with the planning, design, and construction of highways, railroads, pipelines.
Construction service.
No.
Industry.
No.
Hindi.
Planning, design, and construction of highways, railroads. Hindi, kami yan.
Wala lang sa utak ko yun.
Nakaan. Sagot mo lahat.
Pag-grab.
No.
Pag-sign.
Ano siya? Roads, highways. Ano yun? Ano tawag sa mga ganun?
Roads. Highways. Road. Anong tawag na sa ganyan? O, ayan. Ang tawag dyan. Hallway.
Wala sa utak.
Daanan din.
Sirit na daw. Route survey. Route ba?
Route or route. Ruta. Route.
Ulitin mo yung ano,
Ulitin mo sa akin.
explanation.
Iba naman.
Iba naman. Surveys to determine the shape of the ground, the location and elevation of natural and artificial features of objects. Surveys to determine the shape of the ground, the location and elevation of natural and artificial features of objects.
Construction service.
No.
Industrial.
Ano tanong?
Determine the shape of the ground, the location and elevation of natural and artificial features of objects.
District.
May matanda.
Ay, forestry.
Sino na ba sasagot? Ikaw, alam mo?
Forestry.
No. Ito, alam mo? Kapag natin. Galing niya ko.
Wow!
Ito. Sa inyong dalawa. Flow surveys in urban and rural locations to determine and define property lines and boundaries. No. Favorite mo yung construction.
Ano yung construction?
Ano? Hindi. Yeah.
Ano daw?
Industrial. Pag real property, catastrophic. Punta tayo sa survey party, guys.
Ay,
Hindi, banggitin mo muna sa kanya yung definition ng construction surveys. Kasi favorite
Sige. Ang construction surveys, ito yung surveys done at a construction site to provide data regarding grades, reference lines, dimensions, ground configuration, and location and elevation of structures. Basta kapag structures na lang, construction yan. Construction.
types of survey. Nag-iisa kayo.
Oo, lahat. Type of survey.
Ah.
Sino una? Ikaw una.
Type.
Yung sampung survey.
Type ng survey.
Pagkagametric survey.
Kevin, ano?
No.
Ano, 10
Types
types
of
of surveying.
surveying.
Bigay ka lang isa.
Industrial.
Ikaw.
Industrial.
Pamay nga.
Topographic.
Ano?
Sabi mo na.
Photographic.
Topo.
Industrial.
Sabi mo.
Sabi ko. Mine.
Sabi na.
Well,
Oo, hindi pa. Sabi na.
Infograph. Ano?
Sabi na.
infographic pala. Infographic photo. Sinagot mo kanina. Sa daan. Tawag mo. Construction.
Ay, pero pwede yun. Sige na.
Pero sasabihin, di ba?
Root surveys.
Last.
Tapos na ba yung sawa?
Ay, oh my.
Saan yung natira dyan?
Dalawa na lang.
Dalaw pa ba yun?
Dalawa na lang.
Tinuturoan siya. Ano? Forestry.
Ah.
Ano pa? Last.